Good evening, viewers. If this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to click the red buttons to subscribe, and then don't forget also to share with your friends and family. Today, what I want to say, I want to talk about our people, the black people, all over the world, whether you are a black Chinese, whether you are a black American or Brazilian or African or European, whatever you claim. We have not been treated with respect and dignity as the first race of the whole world. We have been treated like animals for more than 500 years up till now, and we have not learned any lesson from this. We, our people, we are still forcing ourselves on people that does not have our interests. Rather, all they want to do is to enslave us as a people. Okay, look at what is going on. This issue of coronavirus, immediately China first closed up their own state, one of their state, which is the industrial area according to. Now that does not affect the whole world, but immediately the sickness moved to European countries, and then to South America, to North America, the Western world. Let me use the word Western world. Immediately they command that everywhere should be shut down, and immediately Africa cooperate. They start shutting down, start beating their people, start killing without I've never seen this kind of people. What kind of character, what kind of people are you? You are at 54 countries, for God's sake. So up till now, you cannot decide what happened. What is the useful of your AU? The Europeans don't take order from you. Neither the Western world. They are all the same people. They don't take, no Western world, they don't take order from African people. They do whatever they like. So you cannot call them yourself together and reason and say, what do we do? The Chinese don't take order from them. Immediately you start beating and killing your people. Okay, look at what is happening now in China. How they have started racism against our people. Up till now, our leaders have not learned lesson, and they still make us look like animals. They call us, because if you value your people, you will not allow your people to be treated no matter what. But what is the reason why you are allowing that? Because you have taken money. Whenever you take anything that belongs to the devil, definitely you are not free. He will come after you. That is why they cannot talk. They have stolen money with these people. And also they are in the same society, the same brotherhood. And that is why, so they don't care. Their mission is to help them to enslave their own people. And that's why they don't care if their people are perishing. They don't talk about it. They don't bloody care. They don't move. Provided their children and their wives, everybody is protected. They don't care. Nobody speak. And that's why we will continue to face this racist on channel behavior towards other race in our life. Because we have people, after all, the Russian president said Africa is a cemetery, meaning we are dead people. Because it's only dead people don't talk. They don't feel pain. They don't nothing move them. They can accept anything. If you are killing their own wife, they don't bloody care. If you are killing anything that provided it doesn't, they don't know. It doesn't move them. It's nothing. And that's why we are still facing all this. If not, tell me, what does it take for African 54 country as big as we have land for agriculture, we have gold, we have diamond, we have oil? What does it take for us to build all those things, to put all these things in order? Build our people technically, just the way the Chinese people. We are not populated more than China. They were able to pull everything together and then raise their people. And then they become second economy, if not the first. It's just that we are still just saying first and second, whatever. But what is our leader doing? As big as Nigeria, which is the biggest country that's supposed to lead other countries in Africa with more population. But what are they doing? They are the worst. And that's why nobody respects us as a people. We are very good at peace, to be at peace with other race, but we are not at peace with ourselves, because we have been brainwashed. as a people. Okay, today they say today is Good Friday. What is good in this Friday that we observe in the first place, if I may ask? What is good in it? From time of slavery, because even when they were enslaving our own people, we have those who were, who were missionaries, who were preaching the same what the system of their message of gospel, of which that is not what God gave us. We are not people of religion. God gave us commandment, and you can see it in our culture, in our tradition. That's why they say we should not walk with that. Rather, they want us to walk in their own way. They can tell us, come, allow women to do whatever they like. Allow the men to marry themselves. Allow the men, all these things. We accept that. We know that all these things are spiritually, they are abominable things in our way of life. But we continue because we have leaders, because they stole money, our money with them, and that's why they cannot talk. The Chinese have bribed them. That's why they have no voice. The Chinese can treat our people anyhow in their country, but they are in our country, all over Africa, looting, doing whatever they like, create all kind of business, even to the extent they don't want to sell anything for us in our own country. That tells you the level of disrespect and indiscipline. That tells you the level of insult to our own people. I think it is high time the youth, we should understand that we don't have leaders. With the leaders we have, they are working in hand with the satanic organization.